Hi guys, welcome back to Punky's Family Fun. Here's a video that we took that was back from August 30th of a lightning storm we had in our little town. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. And there's one. It's really like right above us. It's kind of cool. Ooh. Do you hear the thunder, baby? On that one you could actually see the rain behind it. Oh, I don't know where that one was at, but I got the lights. Oh, dang. If you guys can hear the thunder, it is right above us. There we go. Oh, that was a good one. You can see the rain. Although it's very weird that it's not raining right here, but I mean, I'm not saying much, but I'm saying that. I don't know if I got the strike, but it's literally like right there. Wow. Oh, that was cool again. Oh, it keeps going. Oh, that one was over there. Whoa, that was tight. Definitely gonna have to slow motion these videos. Oh, I would say that was close. Dang. Oh. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. We don't get a lot of storms, but when we get some of them, they are good.
Sprinkle.
Oh. It is. Oh, I don't know if I got that, but that was super bright. Oh, was he alright?
Yeah.
Huh. I might have to make a slow motion video. What do you think, Punky?
Yep.
Slow motion time? Okay, I'm gonna make a slow motion video. Way to end it. Thank you, Lightning.